Hello everyone, today I wanted to talk about one of my older projects, and that was my flight sim project. I worked on this when I was 12 years old, and it was a LEGO Ideas project at the time. This is a rig to simulate the flight of an aircraft. So we have these in real life, really big rigs, you can kind of sit inside them, and they have like realistic controls, so I wanted to make a small scale one on a LEGO. That'd be a cool engineering project. So as you can see, we have our little joystick here, which is tethered to the motion of the aircraft. So by moving the joystick, you can determine the pitch and the roll of the aircraft, and by rotating our little stick on the back, we can determine the yaw of the aircraft. And the pitch is the forward and backwards motion of the aircraft, and the roll is, well, the roll of the aircraft. So it's kind of rotating in space and turning along that kind of center axis. And then our yaw back there is our red controller, and that just determines our entire aircraft just kind of spinning on a pivot. So to simulate this better, I got my little space shuttle here. So if we take off the little heat shield plates on the bottom, we can mount it to our airplane axis, and we can see how well it works. It's a bit easier to see when you actually have an aircraft on there. Now that we've mounted it onto our actual flight sim, it's easier to see with an actual thing to fly. This thing would fly in space, but this is just a demonstration. So now we can better see the motion. We got our roll, that motion there, and then our forward and backward is our pitch motion, and then by turning the red thing you can see the entire aircraft spins along that little holder. And I actually made a Wright Brothers aircraft design for this on my LEGO Ideas profile, which looked like this, and I rendered it in some nice LEGO software. Currently I was working on a new design for this. After 5 years I came back and made this pretty cool design. I'm planning on showing it off in this video, but it's still in the works, so I'll show it off in my next little engineering video, and that should be pretty cool. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Thanks.